Python syntax. What is the Zen of Python guide? Imagine trying to write a message that everyone can understand easily. That's what Python's design principles aim for. They help make Python code clear and simple. The Zen of Python is a list of 19 ideas that guide how Python should be written. These ideas were created by Tim Peters, a well-known Python developer, and shared with the community in 1999. You can see them in action by typing "import this" in the Python interpreter. These principles aren't strict rules but serve as helpful advice for writing good Python code. They influence how the language is built and how programmers write their programs. For example, one of the ideas says that code should be beautiful rather than ugly. This means code should look neat and organized so it's easier to read and maintain. Another principle states that explicit is better than implicit. This encourages programmers to write code that clearly states what it does, rather than hiding details. The idea that simple is better than complex pushes developers to find straightforward solutions. When complexity is unavoidable, it should not become overly complicated or confusing. The principle that flat is better than nested advises avoiding deep levels of indentation, which can make code harder to follow. Sparse is better than dense suggests not cramming too much into one line or block, which can make reading difficult. Readability counts is a core idea, emphasizing that code should be easy for others to understand. The principle that there should be one obvious way to do something encourages programmers to choose clear, consistent methods. Handling errors properly is also important, so errors should not be ignored or pass silently. Lastly, using namespaces helps organize code and avoid conflicts between variable names. These ideas shape what is called Pythonic code, meaning code that is clear, simple, and explicit. When you learn Python syntax, keeping these principles in mind helps you write better, more understandable programs. They serve as a mental checklist to guide your coding style from the very beginning. By following these ideas, you'll build a solid foundation in Python programming that makes your code easier to read, debug, and improve over time.